boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar, David Kushner, Daylight. Great song, guys. Very easy to handle as well. This is more of a piano-based sort of song here, but we will handle it on a guitar. Very easy as well. Just downs, we'll work your downs and easy chords. Let's start this one up. No need for any cape on this one. So we're going right into the chords. We'll start with F. So that's a bar chord. We place a bar here on the first fret over all strings. And then the rest will be third on A, third on D, and second on G. We have D minor next. All right, so that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. C coming up, and that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. We have A minor, so open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. We have G as well, and that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. Yes, so we covered the chords there, and like I said, it's just downs. So I'm gonna show you how to play the verse play, and then I'm also gonna give you one simple strumming pattern, we can call it, and I'm gonna show you how to handle that as well. So let's take a look at the first part, the verse play. So you go with F, 2 downs, D minor 2 downs, and C 4 downs, like this. That is one round, so F2, D minor 2, and C4. All right. If you want to play this with a little bit more of a strumming pattern style, then you will play F like this. One round what the strumming will be. It's a total of 4 downs, so 1, 2, 3, 4. But I'm playing on the bass strings here, on the first 2 downs. Then I go down to the top strings, top mid strings. Play 1 down, the third one, and then back on the 4th down to the bass strings. So it's bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass. If you choose to play this string pattern, then you have to be aware that we're gonna play just half amount of times if you compare to the just downs here. So for the verse here, it was F2, D minor 2, and C4 when it comes to just plain downs. But if you do the strumming pattern here, you have to play F1, D minor 1, and C2. So half amount of the times compared to just straight downs. So single downs. All right, so that's the verse play. Then we have the chorus. You're gonna play A minor 2, G2, F2, and D minor 2, just with single downs. So it goes like this. Again, A minor 2, G2, F2, and D minor 2. When strumming, so again, half amount of times, 1 strumming around per chord there. And then finally we have the chorus play with single down. It goes F2, D minor 2, and A minor 4. Okay, so it's similar to the verse play. It's just the last chord there instead of C in the verse, and you now play the A minor in the chorus. So single downs, F2, D minor 2, and A minor 4. Strumming F2, 1, and A minor 2, F1, D minor 1, and Alright guys, so there you have the different parts, verse, pre-chorus, and chorus for David Kushner's Daylight. So give it a try guys, great song to practice chords, switches, and yeah, play tuned.